Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm taking you along as I do my cleaning chores for Monday afternoon. Typically I go and pick up my groceries in the morning, and then all in the afternoon I decide to clean my house and do laundry. So that's kind of my weekly routine. So I thought I would take you along and you can clean along with me, or if you'd like to relax, just grab a snack and continue watching. I always like to start in the bedroom, and I don't wash my sheets on Mondays. I usually save that for Friday. I don't know why, I just like to break up my laundry loads throughout the week. So I'll do like the main laundry on Mondays, but I typically save the bedding for Fridays. So I'm just kind of getting the bedroom together, and I'm going to vacuum in a minute. I know I have a lack of decor in here, but I honestly kind of really like it. It's just like very simple, and I kind of feel like I'm in a hotel because there's not a lot of decor around, and there's less to clean, so that's a plus. So moving on to my side of the bathroom, I just wiped down the counters and cleaned the toilets on Saturday, but I really needed to vacuum in here, and I thought about doing a mop, but I decided against it since I had other things on the list to do, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. But right now I'm just vacuuming my side of the bathroom, and then I move on to Chris's side in a second. And now over to our den. I just needed to fluff up the pillows and fold away the throws that we'd been using over the weekend, watching movies and whatnot. And then I just run the vacuum in here as well. Having a long-haired cat, there's always hair to be picked up. I mean, I typically try to vacuum once or twice, maybe 3 times a week, just because he sheds so much. So there's always lots of vacuuming to be done in our house, definitely. And the rug that I'm vacuuming is an indoor-outdoor rug. I'll link it for you guys in the description above. But I love it for like high traffic areas. I used to have it in our dining room. It doesn't fit in this space that I'm cleaning right now, so I couldn't put it in here, but I love having it in the den since it is more of a high traffic area. It's just super easy to clean when it's indoor outdoor. I just love it. So in the kitchen, I just had a few things to put in the dishwasher. I needed to rinse out the sink and then spray down the countertops. I had already done the kitchen island earlier that morning, so I had 2 cookie sheets like drying on there. So that was already clean. I just needed to clean off this side. And to clean my counters today, I'm just using Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. I believe it's in the mum scent. I stocked up on this scent because I love it so much. I don't even care that it's like a fall scent. I just really love using it in our kitchen. I've kind of been looking for a new kitchen faucet. I don't mind this one, but I would like one that has a pull down nozzle so I can get deep in the sink. Since it is a deeper sink, I miss the one that I used to have with the pull down. So I'm on the hunt for that. I just want to make sure that I choose the right finish and one that will fit this sink. So that is my current on the hunt thing. I have a few of them in mind, but I'm trying to narrow it down, so stay tuned for that. And before I started cleaning today, I popped in 2 loads of laundry. So right now I'm just folding the towels and then transferring the other ones to the dryer. I actually really like doing laundry in this laundry room. Before, I've never had, all of our other houses have had just a closet for a laundry room. So I actually really enjoy having to do laundry. I know that sounds weird, but raise your hand in the comments if you're one of those people who like to do laundry. I'd love to know. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for flying by, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye guys.